Warren Buffett famously stated, "Our ideal holding period is forever." In line with his philosophy, one of Buffett's longest-held investments is Coca-Cola, which he initially acquired in 1988 at $2.45 per share. He still owns these shares, now valued at $58.08 each, making a staggering 2,270.61% increase in value. Initially investing $1 billion, this stake has now ballooned to over $22.7 billion. This transformation took years, but imagine nearly doubling your investments in just a year. It may seem improbable, but there's the allure of Fidelity Index Funds, many of which have consistently beaten the S&P 500. In this video, we'll dive into the essence of these index funds, their mechanics, and their significance. We'll introduce you to the top 6 Fidelity Index Funds and conclude with a fund that promises to nearly double your investment within a year. But before we explore the top 6 Fidelity Index Funds, let's first understand their nature, functionality, and reasons for selecting them. Fidelity Index Funds aim to replicate the performance of specific market indexes like the S&P 500. By pooling resources from numerous investors, these funds invest in a variety of stocks or bonds, aligning them with the target index. This strategy provides widespread market exposure without the need for active management. The appeal of these funds lies in their simplicity, cost-effectiveness, and suitability for long-term investing. Since most individuals aren't adept at stock selection, index funds offer a solution by allowing investments in a broad range of stocks simultaneously. For new investors, the financial landscape can be daunting, especially with over 7,000 mutual funds available. A practical approach is to focus on a few reputable fund families, with Fidelity standing out, particularly in its range of index funds. These funds are ideal as foundational components for a beginner's portfolio. Next, we will present the top 6 Fidelity Index Funds ranked based on their modest to highest year-to-date returns, ideal for buying and holding indefinitely. Kicking off at number 6 is the Fidelity 500 Index Funds, FXAIX. This fund, known by its ticker symbol FXAIX, sets a high standard for index funds, boasting a year-to-date yield of 20.64%. To illustrate, if you invested $10,000 at the year's beginning, by year end, this investment would escalate to $12,064, making a $2,064 gain in just a year. Similarly, a $50,000 investment could generate $10,320 profit, while a $100,000 investment would grow to $120,640. Predominantly investing in U.S. stocks, about 99.02% of its portfolio is dedicated to this category, focusing on sectors such as technology, finance, and retail trade. Additionally, this fund is a favored option for retirement planning, being a common feature in many 401k plans. This attractiveness is further enhanced by a minimal expense ratio of only 0.015%. The fund has demonstrated robust performance, averaging a 12.64% return over the past decade. Regarding risk, FXAIX has a 5-year beta of 1, indicating it mirrors the market's fluctuations. It also boasts a positive alpha of 0.02 over the past 5 years, signifying it has exceeded its benchmark, the S&P 500, by 2%. Following up, we have the Fidelity Growth Discovery Fund bearing the ticker symbol FDSVX. This index has shown remarkable performance this year, with a return of 27.46%. It's rated as a strong buy, holding a Zacks mutual fund rank of 2 a rating influenced by factors like size, cost, and historical performance. With its year-to-date return of 27.46%, an initial $10,000 investment at the year's start would have surged to $12,746, equating to a $2,746 profit in just a single year. A $50,000 investment would yield $13,730 gain, while a $100,000 stake would escalate to $127,560, netting a $27,560 increase. Key sectors in FDSVX's portfolio include technology and finance. Performance-wise, FDSVX stands out impressively, boasting a 5-year annualized return of 12.02%, placing it in the top third of its peers. Even over a shorter span of 3 years, it maintains a top-tier status with a return of 12.9%. When considering risk, the fund's standard deviation is crucial as it indicates the variability of its returns. FDSVX has shown slightly more volatility than usual in the past 3 to 5 years. Its 5-year beta is 1.01, suggesting volatility comparable to the overall market. On the upside, it has a positive alpha of 2.15 over the past 5 years, indicating that the fund managers have successfully selected securities that outperform the benchmark, the S&P 500. At number 4, we have the Fidelity NASDAQ Composite Index Fund, indicated by the ticker symbol FNCMX. This fund has delivered an outstanding performance with year-to-date returns of 37.74%. Consequently, your initial investment of $10,000 at the beginning of the year would have swelled to $13,774, translating to a $3,774 gain in just 1 year. For a $50,000 investment, the profit would be $18,870, and with $100,000, his investment value would reach an impressive $137,740. The fund's portfolio includes a diverse array of sectors, with technology having a significant 17% share. Although FNCMX exhibits a slightly higher 5-year beta of 1.11, suggesting potential for greater volatility. It also boasts a positive alpha of 0.28 over the past 5 years. This indicates its consistent outperformance of the market. With a turnover rate of about 4%, FNCMX demonstrates fewer trades compared to its peers, indicating that the fund has maintained profitable positions and is effectively managed. Continuing our list, we encounter the Fidelity Blue Chip Growth Fund with the ticker symbol FBGRX. This Fidelity Index Fund has experienced a remarkable year, boosting a year-to-date return of 46.3%. With its impressive performance, your initial $10,000 investment would be now valued at $14,638, reflecting a $4,638 profit in just 1 year. If you had invested $50,000, your profit would be $23,190, and a $100,000 investment would have grown to an astonishing $145,380, yielding a $46,380 gain in a single year. The fund's success is attributed to its strategy of targeting significant growth potential within well-established blue-chip companies from the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average, focusing on those with market capitalization of at least $1 billion. FBGRX prioritizes companies poised for above-average growth, with substantial investments in technology, around 38%, and consumer discretionary, approximately 22%. Its top 10 holdings include prominent names like Apple, Alphabet, Google's parent company, and Amazon. Additionally, with a 5-year average annual return of 16.3%, FBGRX ranks in the top tier among its peers. We now turn to funds with exponential growth potential, culminating in a fund that can potentially double your investment in just 1 year. But let's return to our list. At number 2, we have the Fidelity Select Technology Portfolio, identified by the ticker symbol FSPTX. This fund has been exceptionally successful this year, boasting a year-to-date return of 53.83%. FSPTX offers a more expansive range than typical tech funds, encompassing sectors like software, semiconductors, hardware, and fintech. It selects stocks with potential to benefit from technological advancements, hence its 53.8% year-to-date return. If you had invested $10,000 at the start of the year, it would now be valued at $15,383, yielding a profit of $5,383, with a $50,000 investment. The profit would be approximately $26,915, and a $100,000 investment would grow to $153,830 by year end, generating a profit of $53,830 in just 1 year. Performance-wise, FSPTX excels with a 5-year annualized return of 18.27%, placing it in the upper echelon among its counterparts. The top holdings in FSPTX include well-established names like Microsoft and Apple, both known for their robust financial positions and high market demand. Apple and Microsoft are the major players, with allocations of 18.2% and 16.4% respectively. NVIDIA, which features predominantly with an 11.7% share, buoyed by its sector-related growth, while FSPTX isn't completely shielded from market fluctuations. It is relatively less volatile, as indicated by its standard deviation. It has a 5-year beta of 1.18, signaling some volatility. However, its positive alpha of 4.5 demonstrates that it has consistently outstripped the broader market by a considerable margin. And now, at the pinnacle of our list, the standout performer is the Fidelity Select Semiconductors Portfolio, recognized by its ticker symbol FSPLX. This index fund has been a spectacular performer this year, with a year-to-date return of 75.22%. Before delving into what this return translates into dollars, let's understand why this fund has been so successful. FSPLX's remarkable returns are attributed to its focus on the thriving semiconductor industry, bolstered by growing demands in AI, big data, cloud computing, and robotics. Its top selections include industry giants like NVIDIA, Taiwan Semiconductor, Broadcom, and ON Semiconductor, consistently surpassing their benchmark, the MSCI US IMI Semiconductors and Semiconductor Equipment 2550 Index. With a FXAIX mutual fund rank of 1, indicating strong buy, this fund offers diversification within the tech sector, covering semiconductors, software, internet, and networking. It boasts a 5-year annualized return of 32.48%, further cemented by a positive alpha of 10.8%, showing its exceptional performance over the broader market. So, if you had invested in this index fund at the beginning of the year, Considering the 75.22% year-to-date return, a $10,000 investment would now be valued at $17,522, translating to a $7,533 profit in just 1 year. With a $50,000 investment, the profit would be $37,610, and a $100,000 investment would yield a remarkable profit of $75,220. That's a monthly gain of $6,268. In this video, we've explored the top 6 Fidelity Index Funds that have consistently outperformed the market. If you're interested in dividend-paying stocks, be sure to watch our other videos. We cover strategies that could potentially help you earn over $5,000 monthly through smart investments in stocks known for their regular and reliable dividend payments. These videos are designed to guide you through the nuances of dividend investing, providing insights into selecting the right stocks and building a portfolio that aims to generate a steady income stream. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our comprehensive coverage on dividend stocks offer valuable tips and strategies to enhance your investment journey.